Om Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. My dear student, today I am going to explain you finding the missing frequencies of a group of data when its median value is given. You know that median is the middlemost observation of the given data. So first we need to arrange the given data in ascending order. If you observe the class intervals, I think the data is already entered in ascending order. They are arranged already in ascending order. See here, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Starting with minimum as least value and maximum. So the data is already arranged in ascending order. Frequency is also given, 0 to 10 there are 5. The frequency means number of times that a particular observation occurred in a given interval of time, or a number of times a particular observation is occurred is called a frequency of the particular group. Here, suppose these are the marks, 0 to 10 marks, number of students who got 0 to 10 marks is 5, 10 to 20, 25, so on. Here, when you observe the data, here one frequency is missing. We don't know how many students got 20 or greater than 20 but less than 30 marks, and we have to find out the value. Whether we gave, it is given that the median value is 24. So first we need to calculate cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? See here, if I ask you a question, how many students got less than 10 marks? Your answer is 5. If I ask you a question, how many students got less than 20 marks? These two frequencies, if we add, we get 30. That means there are 30 students who got less than 20 marks. So 30 is the cumulative frequency. And so on. So here I am preparing cumulative frequency. Here 5, 30, 30 plus x. X is unknown. So when we add, means the number of students we got, number of students who got less than 30 marks, number of students who got less than 30 marks is, we have added these three frequencies. 5 plus 25, 30, 30 plus x. X is unknown. So since it is unknown, we have to write like this, 30 plus x. The number of students who got less than 40, we have to add these four frequencies, 5 plus 25 plus x plus 18, or we need to add these two. Either add the four frequencies or add these two. So 30 plus x plus 18, 48 plus x. And number of students who got less than 50 marks, 48 plus 7, 55 plus x. 55 plus x. So here, if we add all these, n is also 55 plus x. Now, we need to find out the median class. Median class. How can we find out the median class? We don't know n. N is 55 plus x. X is unknown. How can we find out the median value? Median observation first. So what we have to do? Observe the median value that is given, 24. And you have to think in which class or in which group this 24 will lies. It lies between 20 and 30. The value 24 lies between 20 and 30. So this 20 and 30 group is called the median class. Median class. And 20 is called the lower boundary of the median class. X is called frequency of the median class, and 30 is called cumulative frequency of the median class. Now, we know the median formula, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H, which is given 24. Now substitute the values. L is 20, n by 2, 55 plus x by 2 minus Cf, that is 30, let it be by 1, by f x, and height of the class, if you observe, it is same for every class. That is upper boundary minus lower boundary. That is 10. So here 10 you will get is equal to 24. Now first send this 24 to that side, RHS, and here simplify the LHS. If I take LCM here, what I get? 55 plus x minus 60 by x into 10 is equal to 24 minus 20. After simplification, what I get? X minus 5, and these two get multiplied. 2x into 10 is equal to 4. And send this 2x to that side and multiply these two. What do we get? 10x minus 50 is equal to 8x. And these 2x go to that side, both will multiply together. So 2x into 4, 8x. So 10x minus 8x is equal to 50. Then 2x is equal to 50, x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25. So the missing frequency is 25. Now, we will try to find out when the median value is given for a data, how to find out two missing frequencies. That one we will see now. So once again, you please observe this one clearly. First we need to find out cumulative frequency, then applying the formula, substituting the values, and simplification. Finally you got x value 25. Now, what we will do is, we find out two missing frequencies of a data when its median value is given. Okay. Now, let us consider an example. Here, class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 15 to 20, sorry, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, like that, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, up to 40. Now the frequencies are 12, A, again 12, 15, B, 6, 6, 4. And the median value is 70, 16. Median value is 16 and n is 70. N is 70. We need to find out the values of A and B. Two missing frequencies are there. Now, as usual, find out the cumulative frequency. 12, 12 plus A, 12 plus A plus 12, 24 plus A, 24 plus A plus 15, 39 plus A, 39 plus A plus B is 39 plus A plus B, 39 plus A plus B plus 6, 45 plus A plus B, 45 plus A plus B plus 6, 51 plus A plus B, 51 plus A plus B plus 4, 55 plus A plus B. Just adding 12, 12 plus A, 12 plus A plus 12, 24A, 39A, 39 plus A, 39 plus A plus B plus 6, 45 plus A plus B plus 6, 51 plus A plus B plus 1 plus 4, 55 plus A plus B. And we know that this cumulative frequency, the last value, equal to n, that is 55 plus A plus B is equal to 70, then A plus B is equal to 15. Let it be equation 1. Let it be equation 1. Now, median class. How to find out the median class? Median value is given 16. So median class will be 15 to 20. Lower boundary, frequency of median class, cumulative frequency of preceding median class, CF. Now, L plus N by 2, N we know 70, 70 by 2, 35, minus CF, 24 plus A, by F, 15, and height of the class, 5 you observe, is equal to 16, is equal to 16. Now, simplification, send this 15 to that side, 35 minus 24 minus A, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, by 3 is equal to 16 minus 15. If you simplify this one, you get 11 minus A is equal to 3, which is 1, and this 3 will go to that side and multiply, you get 3. Then 11 minus 3 is equal to A is 8. A is 8. And we know A plus B is 15, in that A is 8, therefore B is 7. So A value 8, B value 7. So my dear students, I think if you understood these two problems very well, then yeah.